Grandma, you smell funny. Her daughter said it was just her old lady smell. Those words crushed 70-year-old Helen. She was a clean person, but her granddaughter said that the child wouldn't sit with her and wrinkled her nose when asked for a hug. That night, Helen cried herself to sleep. That smell some notice on older people isn't from being dirty, it's from body changes and missing some spots when washing. But it's easy to fix when you know the spots. This video shows 6 body areas that cause that smell. Cleaning them well can remove almost all the odor. Each area shows how important hidden cleaning is, and you'll learn why some people smell even after bathing, and how small changes can help. Watch to the end, because you'll change your habits after learning these 6 spots. This isn't about buying expensive stuff or scrubbing hard. It's about knowing your body. It's about feeling clean, sure, and in control. If you're embarrassed, avoid hugs, or worry about how you smell, this video can help. Let's start. Spot 1, behind the ears. This spot is often missed. It's small and easy to ignore, but it has many oil glands that get more active as we age. We make an oil that mixes with sweat and dead skin. If it sits behind the ears, it smells bad. Walter, 79, bathed and used cologne, but his granddaughter said he smelled funny. He was embarrassed because he was clean. He changed his routine and washed behind his ears. A cloth, warm water, and a few seconds each day helped a lot. The smell went away and he felt better. This smell isn't from being dirty, but from not cleaning well enough. Skin behind the ears traps oil. Glasses make it worse. It doesn't take much to clean, just do it often. Wipe with a warm, wet cloth each morning or night. Use a gentle soap once or twice a week. Some older people remember parents cleaning behind their ears as kids. They forget that habit. But this small area matters. Smells here go up to the hair and down to the neck, affecting how people see you. If you smell bad even when clean, this might be why. It's not about scrubbing hard, it's about knowing. When you clean those spots you forget, you'll feel fresher. You'll feel better and more comfortable. It's as easy as going back to basics. Spot 2, back of the neck. Hidden under hair, collars, or scarves, the back of the neck is often missed. It's a source of body odor in older people. Sweat, hair oil, and dead skin build up here. There's often no dirt to see. But if not washed, this skin makes you smell. Ruth, 76, was always clean, but she smelled sour on hot days. She wasn't washing the back of her neck well. Her hairdresser saw a build-up there. Changing her shower routine fixed it. The back of the neck traps sweat, especially in hot weather. Hair oil collects here. Collars and hoods make it worse. Bacteria grow and cause odor. Most people wash their face and hair, but skip the neck. It becomes a place for dirt and smells. It's close to the head and shoulders, so it affects how people see you. People's noses go there during hugs. Even clean people can smell if they miss this spot. Washing the neck is easy. Use a warm washcloth in the shower. Scrub gently, especially after sweating. The skin should feel soft and clean. Put cologne or lotion here only after it's clean. It's good to care for these small details. It reminds you to care for yourself. How you feel and smell still matters. When you care for these spots, you feel proud. Spot 3, under the breasts or skin folds. This area is rarely talked about. It causes body odor as we age and skin gets softer. Under breasts, around the belly, under the butt, or where skin touches skin, folds trap heat, moisture, and bacteria. A strong, bad smell can grow without you noticing. Patricia, 72, was neat. But she smelled sour in summer, even after bathing. She changed soap and deodorant. A nurse said to clean under her breasts and waist each day. The smell was gone in a week. These areas stay wet for hours after showering. Moisture causes bacteria and fungus to grow. It's not about dirt, it's about moisture. These spots are warm, dark, and pressed together. Sweat and oils cause smells. They rarely dry on their own. It's hard to talk about these areas. They feel too private, but ignoring them makes it worse. Skin gets delicate with age, and smells get stronger. Redness, itching, or raw skin means the skin is breaking down. It can turn into painful rashes. A small change helps a lot. After showering, pat skin folds dry, especially under breasts and belly. Use powder or moisture-wicking cloths to reduce wetness. Some use cotton pads to keep these areas dry. Avoid harsh or scented things, which can cause problems. When you smell clean, you feel good. You hug people and feel good wearing clothes. You feel sure because you cared for the small details. Mysterious smells often come from these folds. Once you know how to care for them, it changes everything. It's not about shame. It's about knowing and feeling good. Spot 4. Scalp and hairline. The scalp is often missed. People wash their hair, but not their scalp. Older people wash hair the way they did when they were young, but the scalp is skin that makes oil, sheds skin, and absorbs dirt. When those things build up, they smell. Howard, 68, was well groomed, but he smelled sour from his head, especially on hot days or after wearing a hat. He wasn't scrubbing his scalp. When he started massaging his scalp while washing, it helped right away. The smell went away and his hair felt better. As we age, the scalp makes more oil. If not cleaned well, that oil mixes with the sweat and dead skin. Medication, less blood flow, and less sweating can make it worse. The hairline is where this is most noticed. Hats trap heat and block air. Even thinning hair can make smells worse. You might not smell it, but others might. They just move away. To clean your scalp, you don't need harsh soaps. You need time, pressure, and care. Use your fingers, not nails, to massage the scalp. Rinse well to remove soap. Clean out styling products. A clean scalp changes how your hair moves and how you feel. People feel freshness, even if they don't know why. You feel more comfortable when you know nothing is smelling. It's a quiet confidence from doing something for yourself. Spot 5, belly button. The belly button is a common place where smells build up. It is often forgotten when washing. The navel is a small space where sweat, dead skin, and dirt gather. That buildup can smell. Older people think it's body odor from other places. Charles, 74, smelled bad all day, even after showering. He was careful about cleaning. His wife asked if he cleaned his belly button. He hadn't touched it in years. He started cleaning it with a cotton swab and warm water. The smell that bothered him for months disappeared. The belly button traps moisture, especially in warm weather. If you have a round belly or tight pants, it can stay wet for hours. Just a few mist washes let bacteria grow. The belly button doesn't always feel dirty. You don't see dirt. The smell rises slowly. Some think it's underarm odor or that their shirts smell. Most people don't think to check there. Cleaning the belly button is simple. Use a soft cloth or fingertip with soap and water. Clean gently. If you haven't cleaned it in a while, you might see dark dirt. That's normal. Pat the area dry. If you sweat a lot, use alcohol-free toner between showers. This small habit helps a lot. The belly button is central to your personal scent. It's close to clothing and hands. A clean navel means a cleaner you. It removes doubt from your day. Spot 6. Groin and inner thighs. The groin area is a common source of body odor in older adults. This area is warm, wet, and has friction. It's a place for bacteria to grow. It's a private area, so people don't talk about it. If you smell bad even after bathing, this might be why. Leonard, 81, stayed active and clean, but he smelled musky in the afternoons. His doctor said to care for the groin and thighs. Leonard washed the area faster before. He started taking more time, using soap, drying well, and using powder. The smell went away, and he felt fresher. This area has many sweat glands. Skin gets softer with age, which increases folds where water can get trapped. Tight clothes or sitting for long periods stop the skin from breathing. Dampness turns into odor. The groin is close to the digestive system, which can cause smells. Friction is a problem. The inner thighs rub together when walking. Skin can break down, making it easier for bacteria to grow. It's hard to dry the area. Most people don't talk about it. But it's common and easy to fix. Use soft, unscented soap and warm water to wash the area. Dry well. Use a clean towel to pat. Dry, don't rub. Use talc-free powder to absorb wetness. Wear cotton underwear and change it daily. It's good to know your body is cared for. The groin plays a role in how you feel. When this area is clean, your movements feel better. It's self-respect to feel good at any age. Final thoughts. Which area surprised you? Did you forget to clean one area? Each area is about feeling good and sure. When you care for the spots you forget, you feel good. Older adults worry about how they smell. These thoughts can be hard, but you've taken a step toward better cleaning and peace of mind. Knowing where odor hides lets you remove it. It gives you control over how you feel. It's not about being perfect. It's about knowing. It's about talking about a topic people avoid. When you care for yourself, you're showing respect. You've earned the right to feel clean and comfortable.